Hi, and welcome to Stelbot Adventures. We are in Labadee, Haiti, and we are getting ready to ride the Dragon's Tail mountain coaster. Come along for the ride. Baja 360.
Straight up.
Straight up, I'll tell you.
Under 60 feet.
How you feeling?
I'm feeling fine. Disappointed we don't get to go 6 times though. There's the track. Is that gonna be you?
Nah. There's zip line.
Is that the top of Dragon's zip line in here?
Yes. That's what it looks like.
There's different. See the guy waving to us? He didn't. Not paying attention.
I'm not.
Okay. Let's do it.
Here we go.
Have a good day, sir.
Here we go.
Woo!
Woohoo!
Oh, nice ship over there. Hello, Oasis. Oasis.
Butterfly.
Whee!
Is this as fast as this thing goes? Come on
Yep.
now.
That's as fast as it goes right now. It's gonna be going faster soon. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo-hoo! Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, bitches. Yeah. Whoa. Oh. Yeah. Hello. Hi, Oasis. What's up? Woo! Woo! Yeah, baby. Yeah, baby. Yeah, baby. All right. Oh. Oh, wow.
Slow down. Good job, babe. Woo. I think you can keep going.
Is that slow?
Didn't say stop, but it's slow.
Okay, fine.
Woohoo! Dragon's Tail coaster. Pretty cool.
Not bad. It started pretty slow. Got pretty quick by the end. There was a turn or two at the very end that was like, woo! But overall, well done.
It's about a 3-minute ride, so not bad.
Yeah.
We were able to
And-
walk up and just get a single rider.
And 2 minutes of that was going up.
Thank you for joining Stelbot Adventures today as we rode the Dragon's Tail coaster in Labadee, Haiti. Please subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you on the next adventure.